Amid the growing economic fallout, President Trump says he has set a goal for getting the economy back on its feet. He told our own Bill Hemmer he wants the country back open by Easter Sunday. That is April 12th. But to be clear, top officials on the White House Coronavirus Task Force call that timeline aspirational.
I think we're looking at a timeline. We're discussing it. We had a very good meeting today. If you add it all up, that's probably 9 days plus another 2.5 weeks. It's a period of time that's longer than the original 2 weeks. So we're going to look at it. We'll only do it if it's good, and maybe we do sections of the country. We do large sections of the country. That could be two.
Kristin Fisher is live at the White House this morning with details. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning, Ed. Even if President Trump pushes forward with that stated goal to end or ease these nationwide social distancing guidelines by Easter, remember, governors could continue to impose statewide stay-at-home restrictions. And Dr. Anthony Fauci, he's saying that he's advising President Trump that Easter date needs to be flexible.
You can look at a date, but you got to be very flexible. And on a literally day-by-day and week-by-week basis, you need to evaluate the feasibility of what you're trying to do. No one is going to want to tone down things when you see what's going on in a place like New York City. I mean that's just, good public health practice and common sense. But the country is a big country.
So in the coming weeks, we could see some parts of the country open up while the hardest hit cities and states staying somewhat or partially closed down. But Dr. Fauci says in order to do that, the U.S. needs more data. It needs more tests, which the U.S. just does not have right now, even though the country's testing capacity is rapidly ramping up. As Jonathan was reporting, the epicenter is now unquestionably New York City. And at yesterday's briefing, the White House advised that anyone who recently left New York City needs to self-quarantine for 14 days in an effort to contain the spread of the virus to other parts of the country. In a tweet this morning, President Trump said, "I'm working very hard to help New York City and state, dealing with both mayor and governor and producing tremendously for them, including 4 new medical centers and 4 new hospitals. Fake news that I won't help them because I don't like Cuomo. I do. Just sent 4,000 ventilators." But New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, he says that he needs far more than 4,000 ventilators. Governor Cuomo says he needs more, like 30,000 ventilators. Ed?
Big issues ahead. Kristin Fisher, thank you for starting us off.